This video demonstrates how to replace the waste toner container for the Xerox PrimeLink C9265, C9275, and C9281 products. To access the waste toner container, open the front door. Open the waste toner container door located to the right of tray 1. Grasp the front top of the container, then pull it halfway out of the printer. Hold the used container firmly with both hands to pull it out of the printer. Recycle the used waste toner container.
Unbox the new waste toner container.
To insert the new waste container, align it with the slot in the printer. Then push the container in until it seats. Close the waste toner container cover and the front door.